Hey everyone, Joe Gentili from Sarraf Gentile LLP. So today's video is going to deal with the downside risks of mandamus lawsuits for immigrants. So I want to preface this by saying that in general, if you have an unreasonable delay on an immigration petition, mandamus cases are super effective. They are by far the most effective tool that you have to combat this and to get a decision when the government is just delaying for too long. That said, they are not 100% effective. Nothing is 100% effective. Sometimes the government fights these cases and sometimes the government wins. So what happens in that scenario if you file a mandamus case and it doesn't work out? So what doesn't happen is losing a mandamus case is not going to cause your case to get denied. So mandamus cases primarily address when a case is decided, not the ultimate outcome of it. So if you had a strong case going in, chances are your case is going to get approved. If you had a weak case going in, chances are it's going to be denied. Whether you filed a mandamus case or not is not going to impact the ultimate outcome. Is a mandamus case going to cause your case to be further delayed than it would have been if you had not filed? The answer to that is also no. If you lose a mandamus case, you're basically just where you would have been as if you didn't file it. It doesn't put you to the back of the line. There's no penalty for filing one and trying and losing. So you don't lose time for filing it. So what is the downside risk? The biggest downside risk is the cost. So if you file a mandamus lawsuit and it doesn't work out, you're going to be out the attorney's fees that you paid, and you're going to be out the filing fees that you paid. So outside of the financial costs and I guess the time somebody has to put in to get a case on file, that's their biggest downside. The losing a mandamus case is not going to result in a denial necessarily, and it's not going to result in a case taking longer than it would have otherwise. That said, with the downside risks, these cases are very, very effective in terms of getting cases decided in a timely basis. So while there are downside risks, like there are with just about everything, in general, the pros greatly outweigh the cons on these cases. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to talk, and thank you for watching. Much appreciated.